A very good morning, students. This is your English teacher Benu Sairawat, and I welcome you all to RKP online classes. So today in this class we'll be focusing upon speech writing. Okay, I'm sure at some point of time many of you or most of you must have presented a speech, maybe in school morning assemblies or in competitions, right? So you basically must be having an idea how to write a speech, but still there are some tips and techniques which help you write a perfect speech. Okay, now first of all we need to understand what is exactly a speech. What exactly is a speech, right? So speech is basically it is something when you present something orally to a large gathering and you convey a message. You want to convey a message, right? So that is called speech, right? And uh, why is it required? Because sometimes you want to express something, right? You want to say something about how you feel about a certain thing, right? So that's why we give speech, right? And we, of course, then we write a speech also. Now, if we talk about how to write a speech, should we just simply start writing it? That's a very risky thing, I would say. No, there is a proper format for that, and that is very important because uh, it keeps your listeners engaged. It gives you a perfect outline, okay, of the speech, right? So we'll be talking about the format and how exactly you should move while writing a speech. Alright, so when we talk about steps, of course, there will be a topic which you'll be writing here, right? Then first is opening line, okay? Opening line. Students, for opening line, I suggest you to start with a good quotation or a slogan. You know, it gives a really intense impact on your listeners, and it draws their attention, right? That yes, something interesting is going to come. So it all depends upon the opening line, how you actually open it, right? So second is formal address. Formal address, or when you greet your audience. Isn't it very rude if we start our speech without greeting the audience? No, that's a very bad thing, right? So we always greet our audience first, like respected or esteemed. You can use adjectives like this, right, depending upon the person, and then you say, after that, finally, you give introduction, right? First, you will greet your audience, esteemed principal ma'am or diligent teachers. This is Benu Sairawat, and today I'm here to express my views on the topic. Okay, so here you introduce yourself as well as the topic announcement. Alright, so after doing this, you then move to main body. Now by main body, I mean when you elaborate your topic, when you describe your topic, or if there are any advantages, okay, any advantages, disadvantages, or causes or effect, okay. So all these things you will be including in the main body, and don't forget to every time leave a line. All right, so after doing this beta, we will conclude the whole thing. Okay, there will be concluding lines. Concluding lines. In this, you may give a suggestion or warning. So this all depends upon the topic, right? There may be a suggestion, there may be a warning, there may be a hope or a prediction, right? So depending upon the topic, you may suggest something, or you may give a warning, or you may be hopeful, okay, or you may give a prediction about, you know, if this thing doesn't happen, this will happen next, right? And last will be formal thanks, okay. Whenever somebody listens to you, we should always you should always thank them. So at the end you will say, thank you so much for listening to me, thank you so much. All right, so I hope this is clear to you, how to write a speech, like in what are the uh, what are the steps to follow when you write a speech. Now in next part, I'll be telling you a few tips and techniques, what you know, and the points which you should keep in mind while writing the speech. Okay, so thank you so much.